Okay, what's up, guys? PTK, Alpha Pi Alpha in the house. We are on Trello, checking out the Alpha Pi Alpha team board. I'm inside right now. I'm going to go out, show you how to get out once you get in. Is Alpha Pi Alpha. Just click on that, and then you see View Team Page. Click that, and you're on the outside of the project management interface. You see all the boards here. And what we're focusing on is the green board, the only green board. That's the PTK task assignment board. And what I'm going to do is run you through how I created these blocks. Now these blocks were once a list, what Trello calls a list. It says add a list. Add a list right here. And all you do is click that, and then you can type. The first thing you want to put here is the title, which here I'll put fake project. Click save. Then once you save it, this is it right here. I'm gonna move it over just so you see better. Once you save it, then the next line here are cards. Add a card. So in these other blocks, these are basically projects. So the first thing I have is a resource, and it's a link to a web page or resource or a download. So I'm just gonna type resource link right here. Click add. Click on it again. You can go inside. When you go inside, there's a lot of other functionality, and you click the attachment. Put in the URL. Usually you copy it from the other one, the real URL, and paste it there. And there you go. That's how you create the link. And there's other things in here. You see, you can put a due date here, self-explanatory. We won't go into that. And you can color it as the label. And color it. Then on the outside, you see the color showing up there. So of course, it can help with keeping track of whether things are done or need to be done. So you can use green if you got a lot of things listed here, and you need to have a quick visual on what to go to next time you open it. So you color it that green. You might have another one that's red. You might have one that's yellow because you're waiting on something. I don't know. Be creative. Later, further down the line, on this one, like I said, it's pretty much set up already. And what else? So that's it for that one. Project, fake project, resource link. The next card, these are cards, remember, that you'll have is project manager. Those are projects. The reason they are there is to assign a manager to deal with the project, and the project manager will be you. Yes, you. And so let's get us a project manager here. Let's say Megan Levine. And so you got a project manager there. And as a project manager, I'd like you to put your name there. Okay, let me do that again. So this may or may not be open. This may or may not be open. If you don't see the names here, click on Show Menu, and this will open up the menu. And this is where the names of the people who are all invited to this board will be. And so you'll just drag your name here if you're the project manager, and you will add team members to your project that are going to help you to get this done. Add team members. And then the next card, remember these are cards, will be lists of your tasks that needs to be completed in order to get the project done. And so, fake project, do the research, write the essay. 2, 3, and so you have a list of things that need to be done. You want to assign your team members to it. Assign your team members to it. And you can go inside of each one of these, of course. There's additional functionality. This is basically just like what you saw. It was another list, so it's the same functionality here. And one of the things I didn't point out before is the checklist. And of course now it's very applicable because these, what we're working at now, are lists of tasks that needs to be done. So you can just, if you want to, make like a to-do list. Sharpen my pencil. Okay. And pick up the book for research. You're done with the list. Click add. Oh, done with the list. And when you complete items, you can just check it off. And as you see, once you complete, it turns to green. That's going to be shown on the outside right here. 2 out of 2, green, done. So that's pretty neat, pretty cool. What else did I leave out? That's about it. Play around with that. Not on here. So if you sign up, you're on Trello, then you can also create your own personal boards. And I do encourage you to play with Trello, create your own boards, because as you can see, it does help with organization. Especially if you got a lot of things going on, it helps you keep track. You have a visual on where you are, what needs to be done, for due dates, this, that, the other. So it's a really cool tool for free. Especially you get a lot for free with this, and it's going to be really useful because things are getting a little busy now, but we all knew that was coming. That's what we signed up for. It's all good. Help develop us more with regards to time management, organization skills, focus, discipline, and that's what it takes. But you already know about that. You're here, you're PTK, you're Alpha Pi Alpha, so it's in your blood, it's in your DNA now, it's a part of you, and we just want to step it up a little bit further with these extracurricular activities associated with the Alpha Pi Alpha. Got to get these other members involved, lighten the load a little bit, and help them get some experience, take their experience to the next level as well. And that's going to be our one of our goals moving forward, because we want to be a 5-star chapter. We want to be a 5-star, meeting the requirements of PTK. However, 5-star for me goes far beyond PTK's minimum requirements. So we got a lot of stuff in store for us. We're going to be talking to campus, not just this year, but for a while to come, with the things that we accomplish. Sounds interesting, right? Good. I'm glad you think so. Hang in there. Okay, this is getting too long. Thank y'all for watching. I hope it helped shorten the learning curve a little bit. And I'm out of here. Man, it took me like 5 times to do this. Technical difficulties and everything. But that's what it's all about. Challenges and overcoming and making it happen. Forget about it. Getting late. I'm acting crazy. Good night. Click on this right here and view team page. That takes you back out of the board. You can look at the big picture view and see the organization or lack thereof. So right now I can't move these boards where I want to. Maybe you can in the paid version, but we're focusing on this green board right